Free up yourself. She's got that child soul. Mr. Get off your coat. Black eye youth. In the lead up. I don't want to fighting tonight. I don't want to fighting tonight. I'm gonna find out when the girl close. Walk out and muggle. Muggle the girl. She's got that child soul. Whoa! What are you got? What are you got? What are you saying? What are you saying? No fight rasta. And these things we say, as soon as they are extra. So, she and me fool. Yes, I am. Like taking candy from myself. All of them gonna find a look in your own clothes. If you know your clothes, you have one confront of the freedom and the baby and show up yourself. They can go down and warm up tonight. 2005. She got it crazy. Say on and on. Never see the hands of the girl if you know you have more than $5 in your pocket right now. If you have more than $5 in your pocket, wave your hand in the air. Put your hands in the air. Pull them up, pull them up. See you again. So we ready then? Young keeper, link you want it. Hey! Hey! So we are trouble now. What the girl about don't say pum pum good? What the girl don't say can fuck him and make him come on that time? Give me a cute one, baby. Give me your wine, my girl, give me your wine. Your pussy fat, girl, give me your wine. Body cut, girl, give me your wine. No one broke, girl, give me your wine. You look good, she said, give me your wine. Whoa, all of my girlfriend, a girl can't beat your box and then wave your the air. Hey, your friend, they want to shoot at you. You can't beat you. Ready, hey, that's what I want. Walk with me. Walk with my crew. You go to the cemetery. Ready, hey, that's what I want. Walk with me. Walk with my crew. You go to the cemetery. This is how we are party. Nobody want no. Hey, that's what I want. Nobody want. Nobody want. Ray. Me believe say no man of a fuck party. All the man who don't fuck no party, come under the ear. Come under the ear. Say if I know some men, so we gonna be friends with you. Say they wanna war with you, but I'm gonna go down. Then look this man from Miami. All the man who don't fuck no party, come under the ear. Come on, fire. One to the killamanjaro on the corner around us, so I can't soon know. I see the killamanjaro around us and dancehall competition, you know. We're not dealing. No one sense. No one look down. No one sense. Now we're pretty lawyer. We are Batman. We are Batman. We are Trying to friends, so we want to be friends with. And I need some cool and cool. Say them want to war when you want. Everybody see a party, you say. Really? Them not this one for me. Want to be dancehall, girl, them. The man boy can't take off your underpants. Go down to the ears. Cause I am not afraid. You shut up, party one. I am not afraid. This is how you are. Ready again, then. We can must be fun if you want to. Yes, the man on the front of them mouth, but the biggest need at them there. What the real Batman, they get drawn on! The first shit I'm in a first people. Do we pour your matzah? You don't want to tell me no. Not again. What on, Chapo? What on? There's more of a track take my food. What on? What on again? Do it! The first shit I'm in a first people. I'm on a chat confused me with some. I have 22 in a sub. You so don't forget the next cause of fool. First shit I'm in a first people. Never can chat confuse me with some. Because they have 22. No, no, so me girl go back in the area. The girl let me a play for tonight, you know. Anytime you're ready for some. What's start why? Who knows it's ready to. One my friend. When I'm going to look at she can into the dancehall queen. So I, my girl, Rastafarian lady. You see you, I like you. Come sign up. That's how it's set up. Forward. Yeah. Yes, baby, come on. Come sign up your name. It's so easy, baby. Come on, yourself. Come sign up for the dancehall queen. We press you up in the press people. Yeah! Yes, so one more girl that to come sign up. Yes, the girl that who want pass the pay come sign up. Money I give it. Yeah, what thing name? Money, oh! Cause some girl now get the money for buying a new clothes. Some of them are crutcher. I like them still. Yeah. Yes, Jesus, girl, lady, my darling. Oh, you look so nice.
got me no press people but now I jump up face me.
Sign them up!
Like only have 22. Can I feel so forget the next dozen food? Press trigger me no press people but now I chat come face me.
I'm on circle together.
Only have 22.
Sign them up, arrest a girl them to come sign up. Yeah! My girl in the white bling bling there, you for come sign to, yeah?
Claim me some place back here.
So, anytime you're ready for you see any girl now dance right now, what problem? All of the girls who are on the HIV right now, roll out.
It's the elephant man, that's me, and the system is right here.
What the good, that's what the girl you're there. What the girl with the cup match, give me a wine. Position, girl. Under the shade that. Whoa, watch me, girl, in frame. Villaman, shine light on the sun. Villaman, shine light on the sun. Give me a man the answer. Run the girl, run the girl.
It's the elephant man, that's me,
Ready?
and
About to have a nice. I like it. Straight back. Yeah. Yeah, sign it up, sign it up. Come on, point, go down. Straight back to me. And the pain around. Back there, that's all. Yes, sir. Look on the toe. Yes, I see the girl about Jesus Christ, man, girl, what you have on? And you underpants you have on there, beloved. Make sure you not have on underpants and you not draw them big like a blue man's. Whoa. Yes.
it's the elephant man, that's me, and the system is right here.
Ready? Scooby!
In the club.
In the shade back on it. Yes, man, show me trust. Show me trust. Whoa, Rasta man, how you do theater? Rasta man, how you bump the things, sir? You know, star will lose her for you.
It's the elephant man, that's me, and the system is right here. And when you jump good, that shit will really get it quick up in the club. On the way up. Shake that on me. Turn it around, back that ass off.
Ready again, shake that. What you got to do? Interference in the figure one. Give me one. Run me, girl. Sit up on it, girl. Sit up on it, girl. Sit up on it. Sit up on it. Ride it in. Ride it in. Juke it in now. Juke it in. You want man. You want breathe. Juice a come. You not run. Baby, sit up on it like she little lady. You want this up like Juicy McGrady. Tell in a love and ball, you know if you're afraid. You know want get a little more baby. Dive on it like Juicy in the Navy. You have no means you have on no gravy. You lie down with my make up quickly. Rinse and I go get the one with me. You see that girl there? Hey girl, punishment.
Tell me that, you think me easy. You want me, you want to be. Yeah, tell me things on. You tell me money. Tell money too. Tell money that, you think me easy. Oh yeah, around me, you want to be easy. You tell me things on. You tell me money too. So tell money too. Tell money too.
Four back shot, not a for the what now. Trees and love, not a for the door and the grill and the pot. Yeah, give me five, sit up on it for the fridge and the bed. What have we got, son? Go on back and feel the with it on. My friend, come back here, my friend. I am my girl in the white tall pants. All out to come stand in the name now. Tell money that, you think me easy. Who you are on print? You want it easy? Get it, my things down. Get it, my things. We just see the one like super and piggy. Dance we a dance and keep it in jiggy. The two that me and the beat and the tiggy. Dance we a dance and keep it in jiggy. One, two, three. Dance we a dance and keep it in. Let in the girls, people. Let in the girls. Let them in. Let them in. Let them in. Go on, again. Get man. Get man. Go on, again. Go on, again. Go on, again. Go on, again. What the Rasta girl got? What the Rasta girl got? Rasta woman. Go on, again. Get jiggy. Get jiggy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Yeah, man. Can you hear me now? It's not one of yours that get mine now. It's not one of my bad mind and I chat you. All the people know say now. You ready?
You ready?
Yeah, man.
Come here, straight, ready, not a lean, ready, not a punch, like a jump, not a eat, ready.
You ready?
You ready? You ready?
Yes, we man. Get your people and see me.
Not a curve, not a pen. You ready? You ready?
Again.
You ready?
Listen, calm them out right now. Calm them.
I got 100 guns and 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from
Garbage. There are some people that talk about New York and never been there before. Worried. All of you can represent themselves right now. What? Listen, what the girl want to say? They're independent. They're not different from nobody out there.
100 guns and 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York.
New York.
I got a semi-automatic that spits next time if you talk.
Yeah.
I got 100 guns and 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York. New York. I got a semi-automatic that spits next time if you talk.
Yes, bro.
I know this pussy for not even Johnny. Your monologues give me time to ride and print this shit fire. You no longer desire to take off from City James, put back on. I'm on fire. Holly Dick, chain of these coast bags.
I'm red buffalo against war. These sex them out to them me. Them sugar that's all. Welcome to King of the dance. I'm red buffalo against war. These sex them out to them them sugar that's all. Welcome to King of the dance. Me know the girl, me really mean it. Give me no icky girl, come to the
First time I got so many.
Ramming to stick it in Jamaica. We get sex now. Who that ask me why? Girl, it's me after first stand up from the guy. So who you are? So sure, me know the
Yes, we're running on the reggae.
why. Sir, you put up ass, my smile. Yes, I believe you can fly straight through the sky. Yes, we want to get it. Me a Batman, I'm in a Robin guy.
Just a few wonderful show time.
You reply. My lips and close eyes. I'm with buffalo against war.
Yeah! Honestly, I'm a sign of love. Lady in the red, come here. Darling.
King of the dance floor. One with buffalo against war. We sex them until them call me. I'm the girls them sugar that's all.
Is that what the gentleman?
The dance hall.
All you gentlemen know what to say.
Let me that is
Yeah! Sit down now.
Can I be a girl?
I think you're cool, but I don't want to be this.
Listen, we gonna get him, brother. I'm on tonight. We gonna get him in the war, man.
Your man told me that he's tired of the shit.
Once again.
He took my hit and said my
Yeah!
coming back. He likes it tight and said it's just
Listen, I get my DNA.
girls don't
Some girl can't talk up in the air. That man must come on DNA.
I got your man and you can't do anything. Girl, when you call my phone, just say what's on your mind, okay? Don't call and hang up. I'm not into that.
Yes, we know, man. Get together and see over here. Oh, God.
Your man told
Get him
me
in here.
that he's
Sit up on it, find us in the money.
one hit with my bitch.
Ease up the shoes, we will squeeze you too. You get me? So the girl who know you're cute, you think the face of your man who want to have a cute smile. Cause some girl can't laugh, they having false teeth. All the girl who having a false teeth say, ow. Alright. Ready again? We're back to the girl, yes? Yes. Walk up in the video, my cute. Walk up in the video, my cute. Walk with us, what is that? Walk. So see a pump pump clean. Show the video by the dress. Show the dress, girl. We are giving a prize tonight. The fattest pussy get 100 Jamaican dollars. Yeah. The girl with the fattest pump pump get 100 Jamaican dollar. Yeah. Alright. Ready again. Ready again. Apart to your part to enjoy yourself. In the meantime, we live again. Where are you up? Some girl take the man and still not live nowhere. Pick up the girl who not catch and girl ya. Ready again. Gone again, yes, we gone again. Tell it to them. Hey, you see actually not cause controversy and not please. Yeah! Let me get a move, bring your picnic. Show me what's pretty off for your finger. Show me now. Show me now. Let me get a move, doing already. I never kill the picnic. We have to here. If you have here, man, we have. You never kill the picnic from you. What the man said? The brothers walk out. Walk out. What the man said? Time ago, some of them are getting. Yes, African man like where you're going. I know you're from your black like a tag. Yeah. Ready again, party! Hear me! What up, nigga? What the good ass got up there? Let me tell you right now. Jesus, oh my. I can see Ali dancing. Punisher, make a man, Punisher. Whoa, give him a wine, give him a wine. Go see one. Whoa. All the song I said back shot the girl them love and some man now wine for the girl them. Some man for wine for the woman them man. What is some man man? When I'm going to come free of the woman them. I mean some man for wine for some girl around here. We up for the same. Ready again. Whoa! Wine me friend. Muggle me friend. Take off your glasses. Touch on the glasses. Wine me friend. Muggle me friend. See the man, one pound of assumption later they get like one bone up on a pussy. One pound of man. Hold up! You're so gonna do it for all the man. They gotta move down, do it for all the man. Baby! Oh man! Still busy now, old man again. Get your money now, old man again. How are it? Ready again! Tell them say I'm going to what I do, get a body what I do. Pass them in a one, we know I body what I do, get a body what I do. You gotta go know your chance, clean. Show your chance. Show your chance, girl. Remove, skin. One the cook and the fucking beans again. Show your chance, Mike, show your chance. It's the big Mike, show the chance. They don't keep on reading, don't keep on. Ready again! I'm a bad nice like what's in you. You're not people when you do what you're doing. You're never ready to get nothing is a pleaser. You're eating what I'm not afraid of you, my teaser. I'm trying to get the money for that, you are pleaser. That's what this can done back with. All of the guys going out on the all close tonight. We have got the ear. Ready again! What's your problem? I'm not your problem. What's your problem? Hold on! Now some girl go like them. Money, I know your problem. I know your problem. But these are not your problem. Yeah! Martin, we are playing some more songs than Saturday Dancehall to you. One competition. Right? I'm so thinking. So let's take up. We are playing more fun than dancing competition. Ready? Walk them, my girl, walk them. Slow, slow. What a mega. Get the money attention. Yo, they get you over there so they must flex like cellular. And for one and again, choose regular. I don't come and I don't know what is this. But if I work, then I work. I say, yes, somewhere, let me see, put them in a purpose. So what the goodness, girl, let them walk home. Yeah, man! Yes, my God, I don't mind that. Everybody feel to the walking it. Everybody feel to move the lip, walking it. So when them a say, dance will never die. All the man come party party and get it amplified. I see the kids them in the street, all the big man them a practice the beat. All you a walk the path and come to kill a make them do it dancing. Come on, everybody do the bounce, do the bounce. Everybody feel to the bounce, do the bounce. Everybody feel to the bounce, do the bounce. Fucking nursery. That's how we come to the hope on them. It's a note to find a note on them. I don't sound like it's a note on them. Yes, that's what it has to note on them. We come to the note on them. It's a note to find a note on them. I don't sound like it's a note on them. Yes, that's what it has to note on them. There's no make nothing to me. Don't think the word something to me. It's all of them, but that's something to me. Feel them focus, nothing to see. You're exciting, I'm thinking that he said. Go on, train it up, you what he said. You raise your up, they said. You don't go down and up on them. Extra load me by the load on them. You want them from that to salute. Ready now. Party again. We over your song, them over your soul. Yeah, we over your song, them over your soul. All who now stinking up, put your hand over the one now. Get chicken out, get chicken out. Some of them. Over here. so do you. So because we say you feel Scooby-Doo. Everybody Scooby-Doo, just Scooby-Doo. Watch me brown when I dance the Scooby-Doo. Everybody whoa! And so do you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All who know stinking foot, march out, march out, man. March out. Well, I was born great, but I'm older now. March out. If you know someone about soldier, over here. I still a soldier now. Slip on them. Just want to sound and slip on them. Slip on them. Let me tell you this. Don't this come and really tell me. I'm back in the breath and I'm the king. Remember, they must have been do your pose. This is your own. I can't ever find my food. It comes to your own things like it would. You know do a lot of food. But coming to the cold. She said, I'm not going to get. I want me to go with this step. What makes it from? The sound of the you say, I'm just up to a happy. Everywhere we go, we look way. Everywhere we go, we have to go. John Corleone, Cortez, collaboration now we start with push, kicks, ready now. I never, no, I never, so much, I never. It's all over us, so they can't get all your voices on the party. Stop from trying.
Blessed love, you know. Holy Emmanuel like King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari, say, justice movements. So what I say, stone love, black culture was here, crowning at the dancehall queen. I give everybody thanks to come out and give them support. And the first time we do it in Jacksonville. And we have a nice response still, you know, the contest are lovely. We have Kiss the Champion, and Kia, the second place. And we have the African them, the third place. African them come and bust this place still, so I say. It's an unusual style, but it's a unique style. The people them never too used to it still, but after a while, like they must say, yeah, it can go on. But then they did more I look for it and a single dancing thing. They never really did a look for it, a like groove thing. So, you know, people look on it and say, we saw me and say, well, since us is a dancehall queen, and just one queen, we saw me and say, the group did have to go, but them nice, African, lots of talent, surprising talent. We have to go look for them African and do some more work with the African them. So we big up the African them, and also Kia, she comes second. Yeah, lovely. And Kiss the champion, dancehall queen. First time we had it in Jacksonville, and we know so next year a bigger thing. Big up man like Corey. Big up man like Father Roots Unlimited, the real boss around here. I feel him sound and play, you know. I feel him place and that's how he thing go. So big up Jacksonville people, and we love on Jacksonville, that's why I say the world. Big up Street Fighter, them they come all the way from Fort Lauderdale to come represent. Night time, they did go and go in, but I come and walk out in them thing and you see it, mash up the thing, you see what I say? But I saw it think them did do a routine thing. So big up Street Fighter still, can they come all the way from Fort Lauderdale come do it. We said next year bigger things and better things in the city cars. We just returned to Jacksonville, you know. 3 years we out and we are doing things. 3 years. Some producing thing we are just support some artists, Sizzler, Luciana. And big things are going around the Norrisman. Reggae Central label, More Fire label, we got Nomadic coming soon, the baddest hip-hop around here, pound for pound, remember I tell you, Nomadic, the mad rapper, More Fire label, all coming out. So right now we just returned to the city, And we had Stone Up before and Black Cat. Right now, Dancehall Queen. We have here players that come. And you don't know, you see what me I say? You don't see it. Base of this and Bodyguard and Labor Day weekend. That's how things set up, so. Jacksonville, I don't know. The world, I don't know. I love and honor, you know. And all the people them out there, you don't know. A Justice, Juvenile. Years we night and we are tried. Love what go on. See you next time. All the Emmanuel I. Things last year. Ja. Rastafari. Love and honor. Listen. Them say that can go on already.